Welcome back, guys, to another video. And yes, in this video I'm going to do my makeup, but not the way I would do it. Now I'm going to copy a celebrity and see how that turns out. Chlöe, if if obviously you've seen that by the title of this video. Okay, alright, so let's see how that goes. I will be focused on doing my makeup during the video, and I won't be talking at all, so there'll just be, yeah, you just see me doing my thing and music playing in the background. Enjoy. Let's see what this will look like. Oh gosh, I'm using my products, like my makeup product, and exactly, so yeah, that's that.
nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeezy liquor and real bless. Turn a blow breeze from the head of me penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it.
Voila. So that's the finished look. Ugh, I got hair on my lips. I learned a couple of things. I was like, oh, okay, I might actually, you know, do this also for my makeup on a regular basis. It was interesting and fun to try this new method, and I feel cute, I feel pretty, I look good. I mean, cannot complain really. It took me 20 minutes for sure. Yeah, 20 minutes, and that's about average, close to the average amount of time that I need to do my makeup. I mean, it just depends on what I want to do and if I already know what I want to do. But anyways, guys, that's that. Let me know if you'd like me to do more of such videos where I try celebrities' makeup, like to follow along to celebrities' methods of doing makeup. And yes. Or let me know if you'd like to see how I do my makeup. Bye guys. Yeah. I feel cute though. Boo boo. I mean, I need to comb my hair. Yeah, but I still feel cute. Like, I feel cute. I feel hella cute. Cute. I'm a cutie with a booty.